Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to your friends and family if you like this video. In this video, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorate my cake with ganache. But my last video was how I make my ganache, white chocolate ganache with a little bit of pineapple. So I'm going to put the link under this video. So that was the first video. So that's the ganache that I'm going to use to decorate my cake. Now I'm going to cover my board. This is silver now, but I'm going to cover it. I don't want silver. So in case you guys are hearing some noise, my kids, they are just around. They are around, just disturb their playing. So let me cover this board. I'll see you guys soon. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you for always coming to my channel. Thank you, God bless you. So let's cover this cake and I'll be right back. I don't want to show the process of covering this board. If not, this video will be very long, so I'll just cover it and I'll be right back. Yes guys, I'm done covering the board. So yeah, that's it. That's the back. Okay guys, now it's time to do the decoration with ganache, so we'll do it together. Okay, let me prepare my cakes, then I'll be right back guys. That's okay guys, so I'm going to put the buttercream here. Hello guys, I'm done with the cake. I'm very tired, very tired. So I'm done with my cake now, and I'm going to stop the video here. And also, before I do a shout out, before I go, I want to do a shout out to two amazing people that commented first on my last video. I'm going to do shout out to this my amazing sister. Her name is Angel Conant TV. And please, if you guys can go to our channel to support her, subscribe to our channel as well, and also our channel on the screen somewhere there or there. I'll put our channel on my screen so you guys can see our channel. So please guys, support her and subscribe to our channel. And also I'm going to do shout out to Debby Flourish. So she's a sister, she's a friend, and she's a sister. So she commented first as well on my last video. So guys, if you should support her, subscribe to her channel, and also share and like. She cooks. Her channel is all about food, how to make stuff, like for example, like the last video she put on was how to make, is it pap? Her last video, how to make akamu. Yeah, how to make akamu. So she's really good making stuff, different in cassava. So she's really good. You guys check her out. Thank you guys. So I'm going to see you on my next video. Love you guys. Thank you for always coming to my channel to support me. I really appreciate. May God bless you all. Thank you guys. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.